Hey guys, welcome to Best Out of Best. Let me ask you, has your dryer been taking forever to get your clothes dry lately? Or have you ever noticed lint peeling off around your laundry area? That's not just an annoying mess. It could be actually dangerous. But don't worry, I have got a super simple and affordable fix for you. Meet the Sealegend Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, your dryer's new best friend. Stick around and I'll show you why you need this in your life. Let's get real for a second. Did you know clogged dryer vents are one of the top causes of house fires? Yes, that fluffy lint can actually catch fire if it builds up too much. And it's not just about safety. A clogged vent also makes your dryer work way harder than it should. That's mean higher energy bills and slower drying time. Not fun, right? But here's the good news. You don't need to call a professional or spend a ton of money to fix this. The Sealegend Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit makes it so easy to clear out all that hidden lint and get your dryer running like new again. So let's take a closer look at what you get with this kit. First, there is this flexible vacuum hose attachment. It's designed to fit most standard vacuum cleaners and is long enough to reach deep into your dryer vent. And then there is this lint remover brush. Look at how long it is. It's perfect for those hard to reach spots, not just in your dryer but also behind furniture or inside air vents. These tools are lightweight, super durable, and really easy to use. And they are multifunctional, so it's not just about your dryer. I'll show you more in a bit. Okay, now for the fun part, using the Sealegend Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Don't worry, it's totally beginner friendly. Here's what you do. Step 1. Attach the flexible vacuum hose to your vacuum cleaner. It is an adapter that fits most vacuums, so no special equipment is needed. Step 2. Insert the hose into your dryer vent, turn on the vacuum, and start moving the hose around inside. You will be amazed at how much lint it sucks up. It's so satisfying to watch. Step 3. For those tricky areas or spots that need a bit of extra scrubbing, grab the lint remover brush. It's long and sturdy enough to get into every nook and cranny. So what's in it for you? Well, cleaning your dryer vent with the Sealegend kit has some serious benefits. You will dry your clothes faster, no more waiting around for hours. You will save money because your dryer won't be working overtime. You will make your home safer by reducing fire risk. And let's not forget, this kit is versatile. You can use it to clean under furniture, your cars, air vents, and even HVAC system. It's like a little superhero for cleaning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.